All right, TKs, I have set aside our kinder work, but your work looks very similar too. You have 4 objects and lines to tell us length or height. How are we measuring them? Red, remember, shows us our length, and length goes side to side. So go ahead and trace that line that's going from one side of the object to the other. Then we have height. The line that shows us height is the line that goes up and down to show if it's tall or short. There we go. Simple as that. Another way to measure these objects that we cannot see with our eyes, that we cannot see with our eyes, is the weight. We'd have to hold these objects in our hands in order to measure the weight of these objects. When I flip my paper over, I have here 4 objects. I have a line. If you look closely, the dotted line at the edge of the stapler, a dotted line across this pencil, a diagonal line across this crayon, and another diagonal line across this glue bottle. The question asks, which picture shows how to measure length? Which picture shows how to measure length? Now, was length, if I turn it over to look back, was length our up and down or side to side line? Our length is our side to side. So this pencil has the perfect line to show length. This stapler is showing what? Height. And these diagonal lines are not measuring in the way that we need to for height or length. What number do we see here? Please count the different sets of counters and mark the 10 frame that matches the number in front. Then we have at the bottom, which shape is a rectangle? Mark your answer, please. For these 2, I will keep those a secret until I see your work, because I know that these are easy peasy for my TK brains already. Go ahead and find the set of counters that matches this number here at the front, and which shape down below is a rectangle. Well done, TKs. Keep it up. Thanks.